The file opens in the layout editor of Android Studio. You will either see a code or visual representation of your layout. Let's quickly recap the different parts of this screen. On the left is your file hierarchy. Here is our activity main XML layout file in the hierarchy. The design and text tabs let you switch between code and visual representation of the screen layout. Click Design to see the layout editor, or Text to see XML code. They are equivalent in that you can make edits in either view and they are reflected in the other. This lesson has a focus on teaching the layout editor, but it's up to you whether you prefer the layout editor, XML, or like many developers I know, a combination. Next to the design editor, you have a palette of views for UI elements and layouts that you can add to the design. You can drag views onto the layout or into the component tree below. These are not all the views that are available in Android, but they are the commonly used ones. The component tree pane shows the layout hierarchy as a tree of views. Right now, we only have a linear layout because we created a new layout file with a linear layout and nothing else. View elements are organized into a tree hierarchy of parents and children, and we'll add children in a moment. You can click a view element or view group in this pane to select it and see its attributes. The component tree is particularly useful when you have small, hidden, or overlapping views in your design. This makes it easier to select them. By default, the visual editor shows both how your screen looks and a blueprint version. In the blueprint version, lines are often easier to see. You can use the blue layer button to choose between them. I like to have both of them visible because each has its own advantages. In the Attributes pane, you can switch between a complete list of attributes and a view that shows essential attributes. And that's all we need to know to build our app layout.